Berkeley, Memorial Day weekend. We're out here at Lake Pend Oreille, just paddling around, enjoying the beautiful sunshine, watching the fish jump,
watching the birds fly.
Just enjoying the weekend. So just a bit of history lesson. In 42, darling? 1942, 42 to 46, this was a naval base. Pend Oreille Lake is the fourth deepest lake in the Northwest Washington area. So up near Sandpoint, they had a submarine test station. So I don't know, 30 or 40 feet off the shore, and it's probably 50, 60 feet deep right here. And we're kind of already back into the cove area, so it's kind of shallow in this area here, but it's a little bit of history about Lake Pend Oreille. So last weekend was Alicia's birthday, and she won't see this until after we give her a gift, I guess. So we came up here. We was hoping that she could make it. She didn't make it today. She won't get into Spokane until tomorrow. But we bought her a stand-up paddleboard, so we were gonna let her test it here on Pend Oreille Lake. But she'll have to test it someplace else. I made her a birthday cake last night. It did not turn out very well. So I saw this video. This guy does a lot of cooking when he's camping. And he has this, it's a Stanley cookware. It's more like a mug, but you can cook different stuff in it. And he had made some bread in it. He shows you how to do it. So I was going to make Alicia a small pan of birthday cake. So I mixed all the batter before I got here. I threw it in there last night. I'll put a clip on here. I tried to make it last night in the fire. I think I had it way too hot, and I think I got a video clip of it. I took it out of the fire, and it was black, so it did not turn out very good. But I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna be able to make some bread. I'm trying to make Alicia's little birthday cake. She's not here tonight. Didn't make it. But we're making her birthday cake. We'll see how it turns out. I'll let you know in a few minutes. Okay, well, we pulled the cake out of the fire. I guess it got a little too hot and it cooked a little too long. But you know what? I'm gonna taste a little bit of that red part. We'll see how it tastes. That's my favorite girl. So this is the cove area, the very end, Lake Pend Oreille.
Look at that. Oh, well, get a picture of that.
The second baby. Some docks over here. It's like a whale. And it's like 3-4 foot down to that rock.
Remember next year this time. What? So we're back at camp. Got the potatoes on, just showed you. Alicia,
Look what you're missing tonight. Ooh, some nice ribeye steaks. There we go, some baked potato over the fire, some ribeye.